Hi, welcome to Driving TV and I hope you are well. In this video, I like to share with you mini roundabouts. Now, regards to roundabouts, I've already have a video on the channel where I have explained it in great details about the roundabouts. So if you haven't seen the video, I highly recommend for you to watch the video. But this video is all about a mini roundabout, the difference between a normal roundabout and a mini roundabout, and the signaling on mini roundabouts. And these are the two things which I like to cover, which I feel it needs to be covered when you're dealing with mini roundabouts. I will explain to you first, and then I will show you on the road how it's done. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of my future videos. And let's get to it. Okay, so let's talk about the signs of roundabouts. If you see one of them, triangle, it has roundabout inside. It's telling you that there is a roundabout coming up. Remember, triangle signs gives you warning that there is something coming up. In this case, we have a roundabout inside, which means it's giving you a warning that there is a roundabout coming up. If you see one of them, blue circle, it means it's a mini roundabout. Now the difference is this one is not giving you a warning. It's not telling you there is a roundabout coming up. It is telling you that there is a roundabout there at that sign. Okay, this is not a warning sign. This is a warning sign. This one tells you roundabout coming up, and this one tells you, gives you an order that there is a roundabout there where the sign is. So if you see one of them, it's not roundabout coming up. It means where the sign is, that's where the roundabout is. So that's the meaning of these two signs. Now here we have a mini roundabout, and the reason we know this is mini is because we have a sign, and we know what the roundabout is because this is the sign, which means that's where the roundabout is. Firstly, we need to know the rule of mini roundabouts is same as normal roundabouts, no different. The only different is mini roundabout has less space, which means you will have less space to go around, which means you should be approaching in less speed to make the round or make the circle. So less space on mini roundabouts, which means approach in less speed. Firstly, we will be going left. Top mirror, left mirror, signal left, position on normal driving position, look on your right. When it's safe, enter the roundabout and go off. To go straight ahead, second exit on a mini roundabout, top and left mirror, no signal, position on your normal driving position, look on your right. When it's safe, make your turn, no signal, and when you come here, you meant to signal to come off. And this is what the difference is on a mini roundabout, is because the space is less. When you come here, your car is already out, meaning it's already coming off the roundabout to the exit you want to go in, which means you don't have to signal to come off. So I repeat, to go straight, when you are about this point here, you meant to signal to come off, but because it's small and you've got less space, you don't have to signal to come off on a mini roundabout to go straight ahead. To go right, third exit, top and right mirror, signal right, and position close to the center line, look on your right, no one coming, go round, and when you are about here, as you're making the round, make sure you're signaling right, and when you come here, you meant to signal to come off. But because this is small, like I said, same as going straight ahead, you don't have to signal to come off because you are already out. The reason we normally signal is to let people know that we're coming off. We are already coming off. So that's why we don't have to signal to come off on a mini roundabout. And that's the difference. Here we have a mini roundabout going straight ahead. First exit. There is no exit here. To go from here to there, no signal. When it's safe, carry on. And when you're here, you don't have to signal to come off because you are already coming off. To go right, signal right, come here, no signal because you are already coming off. So no signal to come off. Here we have 2 mini roundabout next to each other. One here and one there. And you have to treat each one individually. So the first one we will be going second exit right, meaning there. And the second one we will be going straight ahead, second exit. So from here we will be going second exit right. This is first, this is second. And then from here we will be going on this roundabout second exit straight, meaning this is first, this is straight. Top and right mirror, signal right, position close to the center line, look on your right. When it's safe, enter the roundabout, signaling right. When you come to this position, take the signal off and no signal to come off because you are already coming off. When you come to this position here, now you deal with this roundabout. Now we are going second exit straight, which means no signal here. When you come here, no signal because you were already coming off. Because normally we would be signaling here to come off. But because it's a mini one, we don't have to signal because when we are here, the car is already coming off. So no signal to come off on this mini roundabout. As we drive on this road, we see a roundabout coming up, a mini roundabout. And the reason we know that is because we can see a sign of a mini roundabout, this blue circle sign. We also know the roundabout is where the sign is because this is not a warning sign, it is a sign telling you where the roundabout is. So on this roundabout, we will be turning left, top mirror, signal left, and stay on the normal driving position. We will be looking on our right if there is somebody coming. In this case, we have few cars coming and they are not signaling, which means they are going straight, which means we are free to go. And then it's safe to go. We enter and we carry on. On this mini roundabout coming up, we will be turning right, second exit, top mirror, right mirror, signal right, position slightly over to the right, close to center line. Look on your right, no one coming. We make the turn, keep signaling right. And as we go round, when we come to this position here, we meant to signal left to come off. But because this is a mini roundabout, as you can see, we are already coming out. So we don't need to signal on this roundabout because we are already coming off the roundabout, as you can see. So no signal, come off and proceed. Here we have 2 mini roundabouts coming up next to each other. First one, we will be going right, second exit, and the second one, we will be going straight ahead, second exit. First, we have a sign telling us a roundabout coming up. It's a warning sign of a roundabout telling us a roundabout is coming up. Then we have a sign of a roundabout telling us where the roundabout is. And like I said, the first one, we will be going right, second exit, and the second one, second exit straight ahead. Top and right mirror, signal right, position towards right. Look on our right. If there is somebody coming, we will wait, and there are a few cars. So we'll wait for those cars. Now it's safe to do so. We enter signaling right. As we enter, we are still signaling right, and about this position here, we take the signal off and no signal because it's a mini roundabout. Here we go straight, look on our right, no signal on approach, and no signal coming off because it's a mini roundabout. We are already out, so no signal. On this mini roundabout coming up, we will be going second exit straight ahead. Top mirror, left mirror, no signal, normal driving position. We look on our right and there are a few cars. After those cars, now it's safe to do so. We will enter, no signal, and as we come off, no signal either because we are already coming off. So in this roundabout, we don't need to signal to come off. Okay, that's it for today, and I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, and if you like the video, please do make a comment, and I hope to see you again on the next video. Thank you for watching, and hope to see you again on the next video. Bye for now.